Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix marathon game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, unplug and uninstall Focusrite software. So if you have Focusrite devices connected to your computer, then unplug them and then you can launch the game and check. You can also uninstall Focusrite software. Legacy Focusrite control v3.6.0 includes driver. So if you have installed any kind of Focusrite software on your PC, then uninstall it and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to check if your CPU supports AVX2 instructions and make sure they are enabled in UEFI or BIOS, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and then remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5, uninstall BattlEye and reinstall it. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the BattlEye folder and then click on uninstall BattlEye. Double click it, click yes to allow, again click yes to allow. You can see BattlEye service has been uninstalled. Click on OK and then again click on install BattlEye. Double click it, click yes to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game, select properties and then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this marathon launcher exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that fixes the problem or not. If that doesn't work, then right click on marathon launcher exe file and then select run as administrator and then check. If that also fails to work, then right click on marathon exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well and then hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it and then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. And then you have to go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder and then open the marathon game folder. Select this marathon launcher exe file and then click open and then again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. This time select marathon exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder, then open the marathon game folder, then select marathon launcher exe file, then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Now again click on browse and then select marathon exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 9 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select your operating system and then click on find. And then you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, and then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 rollback graphic card driver. AMD users. This is for the AMD users. You can try installing 22.8.1 driver version. The release date is 2022-8/12. So just install 22.8.1 graphic card driver and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. If you say repair option, then click on repair, and if you say install button, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again, if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix tool is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game and then select properties. And then just disable this option. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings. General turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app, and then you can browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, then open the marathon game folder, then select the marathon exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Eraser Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 15 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and then reinstall the game. So simply uninstall marathon game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Marathon game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.